Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about a project called Thetan Arena. So this is a project that I actively hold and I do believe is going to go to a 2 billion market cap. Now, this video is not entirely designed to show you the project. It's more to present you my trade idea for this project and how I want to play it. Now, we'll also be doing an unboxing of one of the legendary boxes because I managed to get one in their pre-sale. And yeah, it's going to be super fun because I averaged into this project between kind of like $6.50 all the way to $9. My average buy-in price was around $7.50. And yeah, I managed to use 110 THG to pick up a legendary box a while ago. And since then, whatever hero I end up unboxing from this is, if you look at the cheapest here, legendary hero, right? It's 4.9 wrap BNB, which is about 2.9k. So 3x from literally, I think it was the 19th that I picked up this box, and all the way up to it could be worth 11.4k wrapped BNB if I get one of the mystical skins. So stick around to the end of the video if you want to see if I basically 10 to 11x my money or not. Now, the reason why I believe in this project long term is because I actually got told about this by one of my friends, kind of, who manages my Axie Infinity scholarship. And he basically put me on this project. I look into it. I played the beta for like an hour and a half every single day for like 4 days. And yeah, I really like the gameplay. They have a functioning game because I realized that the studio that was behind this basically ported over a game called Hero Strike, which was pretty popular in the on the Android store, right? You can see that they have over 84,000 reviews. I'm guessing a load of them were actually like acquired through ads, but 5 million plus installs is pretty good, and I think they're decently somewhat popular on iOS as well. But you can see, like, from the screenshots, the games are basically the same, except because it's in the blockchain space, the valuation is going to go through the roof, and it seems like they're doing pretty well from a development standpoint to support the game and build out the in-game kind of like economy as well, right? So the reason why I said at the beginning of this video that the market cap is probably going to go to 2 billion, I just don't really see how it doesn't in the next couple of months, is because I think there's going to be adoption for this game from a scholarship standpoint and from just overall the in-game economy, because one of the features they support is renting like your heroes, right? So whatever NFT heroes that you have, you can actually rent out. So it's like the scholarship system is built into the game, right? So that's why I think is pretty cool, because it's going to operate on a rev share model and your heroes are going to be completely secure, and it's going to be pretty much like almost like a World of Warcraft auction house style, where you can pay to rent specific heroes, where you're staking heroes at a fixed rate essentially, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Another reason I think this game is seriously going to pop is because if you look at what happened to Axie Infinity, right? When the gaming bull run first kind of kicked off around kind of like June, July-ish time, right? It just absolutely exploded. So, and this game has been around for a very long time. And to this day, right now, the market cap is 7.8 billion, which I think is a bit high considering I'm pretty sure like a lot of this is just like speculators. But in terms of the actual in-game economy, it's very robust. There's like a strong player base for it, and people are actively using the play to earn model. So I think this still has a long way to go. But from a like ROI perspective in this bull run, I can see this going to maybe like a 10 to 20 billion market cap. But beyond that, it's going to be a bit tricky, I feel like. Whereas with something like THG, this, I just don't see how it won't go to like a 1 billion market cap. There's just, in the next like couple of months, right? With Christmas coming up, gaming is going to go through the roof. There's going to be a lot of talk around dinner tables, around gaming projects and things along those lines. So I'm pretty sure a lot of hype is going to be driven to this project. Another reason is kind of because when it comes to AXS, a lot of players right now are just like scholars, right? So I'm pretty sure scholars beat the actual number of real players who seriously enjoy the game. Whereas this game is kind of like a different genre because there was a lot of new games being released that were kind of similar as like kind of like the Pokemon slash like card battle kind of games to try to chase the hype of Axes. Whereas this one is a mobile MOBA game, so it's like in a completely different category. So it's going to attract a different player base in general, which is why I'm quite bullish on this game. Now enough with shilling this game to you. Let's do the unboxing that you probably came for, and that's probably going to be the title of the video. Go to inventory. Oh, by the way, I can make a follow-up video if you guys want. Just comment down below on the different hero tiers that I think will go up in value. So if you guys play any MOBAs like League of Legends or anything like that, you'll know that each hero in different metas will have like a tier list, right? So I wanted to go, if you guys want, I can make a video because I've played against pretty much all of the heroes that are active in the game and played as multiple heroes as well. If you want, I can make a tier list video regarding like what I think are the best heroes, in which case those are going to be like the slightly better holds if you want to buy them at market rate, because I do think they have potential to go up in value as well. So yeah, comment down below if you want that. Now let's do the box opening. Let's see if we 10x our money. Come on. This feels like this back in the CSGO days when I was like fucking playing roulette or some shit. Let's go. Come on. I think the network is being a bit slow because you can see that it's 1.5 hours away from launching. Oh, wait, no, it's because I need to switch my network. Hold on, let me pause this recording and I'll switch my network. And we're back. So I switched the network. Let's click open the box. Oh, let's see what we get. Dude, oh man, imagine like a 3D in-game character being the same value as like a low-end Rolex. How insane would that be? I hope the network isn't going to be too slow today. Come on. 10x, 10x. Oh! Any keys? I want a... This is not bad. YGG Phoenix was the one that I wanted. And the higher the skin rarity, the better, right? One thing I would say is when you guys buy heroes, if you go to the marketplace, right? If you click the only differentiating factor between the heroes is something called GTHC battles, right? So you're gonna see each hero has a randomized number of GTHC battles. So basically total eligible battles for earning the in-game currency, which is Thetan coin, I believe, right? You want this number to be as high as possible because essentially it allows you to play and monetize the games more and more. Because I'm guessing this is like an in-game burn mechanism for heroes. So yeah, make sure you pay attention to that. So if you sort by, let's say, the cheapest heroes, you're going to see that common heroes has the lowest battle limit, then it's epic, and then it's legendary, and then as you go up in skin rarity, it's kind of the same situation as well. You can see that this, if you want to buy, let's say, like a Vinca, right? The previous one was 220. This would be slightly better, but you don't want to pay too much above market rate for just like a really high number because you have to kind of like weigh up the pros and cons, right? So yeah, that's it for this video, but let's do something real fun and take a look at how much the YGG Phoenix would cost. Dude, I just 6x my money. What the fuck? Okay, cool. I might end up selling this just because I don't think it's completely worth it to just have like a rarer skin because it doesn't change your in-game ability to actually play the game. So I don't really give a shit about it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the project down below. I know this probably seemed a bit more like a shill video, but it is what it is. I'm holding this, so I'm incentivized to show this to you guys, but you know, do your own due diligence, and hopefully we can all make some money during this crypto gaming bull run. See you guys on the next one.